On this very happy Thanksgiving, I want to take some time and express some gratitude for my plants, gratitude for my garden, and I want to encourage you guys to do the same because I know every year it's kind of a struggle to keep your plants alive, and everybody is always worried about how they can do best or how they can keep pests out of their garden and how they can really garden easier. And you know what? Sometimes we have to take time and just cherish the wins, right? I know in my garden we had lots of tomatoes this year, which was so fun, and I grew peppers for the first time. So we had some really, really tasty, I would say the best ever tasting bell peppers out of my garden this year. And so I think I should encourage you guys to do the same, is take a moment and just have a little gratitude for the plants that are surrounding you and that you're spending so much time trying to take care of them and find out how you can better take care of them. And I want you guys to appreciate them. And so as you get ready for post holidays and getting ready for plants, and maybe you've even been gifted a plant and you want to know how to take care of it so it doesn't die, I want you to subscribe and I want you to ask me questions. So if you've got a question, drop a comment on this video and ask away. Maybe you got poinsettias, maybe you got orchids. Lucky you if you got those for the holidays, even if it's just Thanksgiving. And I want to help you grow easier. I want to get those orchids healthy, and I want to help you rebloom them after they're done blooming. So please, 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 if you have any questions, if you're struggling, let me know. Follow along. I've got lots of tips and tricks of how to take care of your plants, and I do it all without synthetic chemicals, because that's what I do, is I take care of all my plants naturally and organically. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out, and also enjoy your time with your family. And I really appreciate you guys for even listening to me today, and I hope that you have some gratitude in your garden as well.